How to control greed in the market. Now listen, this is one of the most important topics, subjects, whatever you want to call it, that we need to discuss on this channel, just because this is the single most reason why so many people lose so much money in the market, even after they make money in the market. And it's because people don't know when to get out. People see a lot of money flashing on the screen. They see it going in their intended direction. They probably took a couple losses in the past and they see money going in the direction. But at the same time, the way that the market moves, if you guys have watched my previous video, market structure, the market moves in impulses, corrections, and continuations. So every time that the market is ever pushing up, eventually at some point in that market, price has to correct itself. Price has to come back down from where it was. So a lot of times people will be in trades, they'll be in a ton of profit, they'll be doing great, doubling, tripling their account, or just even having just an amazing trade, like a huge, positive impact on their account. And because they see the numbers going, because they see the momentum, because they feel like, what they think is that price is going to continue to just shoot up, they hold the trade. They might go to sleep on that trade. They might not move their stop loss into profit at even that. And what will happen eventually is price will correct. They'll lose a lot of money. They might still close in profit, but they'll lose a lot of what they could have just had if they would just close at their specific time that they were initially up that huge amount. And the way that you pretty much avoid this is your discipline. You have to be disciplined enough to have targets. Be disciplined enough to understand, all right, this is where I'm going to get in the market, and this is where I'm going to get out of the market. No matter what. I don't care what price does after it reaches my targets, but I want it to reach these targets, and after that, I'm out of the market. And you also want to understand that there's stopping points in the market as well. So if you use Fibonacci, like I talked about in a certain video, I told you guys that 61.8 and negative 27% are areas where price could potentially reverse. They're take profit levels. So a lot of times what I do personally is, if price ever hits 61.8 on my fib level and I'm in a trade, I'm exiting my trade exactly at 61.8 because I don't know what could happen. Now, if price shoots up past 61.8 after that and goes on for another 6 days, I'll be sick to my stomach. But at the same time, I'll feel good about myself because I followed my rule and I didn't risk the capital I made. Once I get to that point, once I get to that initial take profit level, I already know exactly how much I'm expecting to make. And once I get to that goal, I'm satisfied. Now, if the market continues to go up after that, I don't care. Will I see it and humanly be, dang, I wish I could have held it? Yes, but at the same time, I'm going to understand that the exact opposite could have happened. Anytime you think something could have happened or look what happened, it's such a good reaction. You always got to understand at the same time the opposite could have happened. So you always have to be aware of that, and you always have to take money when it's given to you. If I would give you $500 right now, and I would tell you, you can have $500 right now, or if you ever see me again, I'll give you $1,000. Which one are you going to take? You're going to take the 500 right now because you don't know if you're ever going to see me again. You can see me today, and I could be going by tomorrow. So what you're going to want to do is, you have that initial profit that's in front of you. Not as soon as you open a trade and you see that you're in the positive. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about once price hits one of your initial targets, one of your planned targets that you had before the trade even started to play out, which you said to yourself that once price gets to here, I'm going to close the trade. And once price hits that area, that's when you want to exit your position because, number one, don't turn this winning trade into a losing trade because after it goes past your take profit, after it hits your take profit, you won. So at that point, don't continue to go because nobody wins every time. Just like if you go to the court and you play basketball and say you have 3 games back to back where you win. You can either go right now, go home and leave the court undefeated, or you can come back, play another game, and then lose on a loss. And then you never know if you could lose the next 3 games after that, and they'll wipe out your whole 3-game win streak. Look at Tom Brady, for example. Tom Brady, I believe, in my opinion, should have retired after he won the Super Bowl. What did he do? He came back and lost another one. Instead of just retiring on a high note, you have the most Super Bowls, and you just won a Super Bowl. Go home. Go get up out of here and retire on that high note. A lot of people, they can't. They always have that greed. They always want more, and it affects them, especially in trading, in the worst possible way because now you're losing money. Tom Brady still made millions of dollars when he came back for that season. He just didn't get that win. Now in trading, once you get to that win, take that win. Do not continue to go, wait on another setup, and then enter back into the market. Once you get wins in trading, the way that you get consistently winning trades in trading is by consistently taking profit. You can never go broke consistently taking profit. You will only go broke when you play around with profits or you continue to take losses and you never let your profits and you never secure your profits. If you don't ever secure your profits and you take a lot of losses, you're not going to be profitable. But if you always secure your profits and you always let them hit your targets, which are based on a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, it's no reason that you will not be profitable. You can literally have a 50% win rate and still be profitable. The main thing I want to stress to you guys, as much as I possibly can, is always take your profits when you get them. When the market gives you money, take the money. Just like if anybody else will give you some money, take the money. But at the same time, make sure it hits your targets. And once it hits your targets, that's when you take the money. Don't take the money before that. Don't take the money after that. Take it when it hits your targets. I cannot stress that enough. I've done seen so many people, even myself, lose so much money. I done been up $1,000 and end up closing at 500. Why? Because I did not take money at my target. And that is a terrible feeling, and that is not a feeling that you want to experience. I hope all you guys take what I'm saying with some serious consideration, and I hope you guys really implement this into your trading, strategy, into your trading system and your trading rules, because this right here could be detrimental to your account if you don't follow this rule right here. And this right here, greed right here, even over trading, things like that. When you overtrade, when you take multiple trades, that's a whole nother example. Say you won 2 trades today, or you won 1 trade, and you go ahead and you take another trade and you lose all your profits from the initial trade. What was the point? As soon as you win a trade, me and my rule, if I win a trade, I'm done for the day. I do not continue to trade. I'm not taking 2, 3, 4 trades a day. I'm taking 1 trade a day, and if I win that trade, I'm out the market for the rest of the day. Because why? Like, trading is a beautiful thing, but trading is stressful as hell at the same time. Like, you enter a trade, you stress for it to hit your TP, or even if you just know it's gonna hit there, you're still at the mercy of the market. You still have to deal with ups and downs, and it takes a while. It doesn't always just shoot straight up. Because me personally, I don't scout. I intraday trade, so my trades may take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 hours. It depends on the move that I'm in and when I got into the move and what the momentum of the market is. But ultimately, when I win a trade, I'm out the market. I want to feel good for the rest of that day. I don't want to be out here in and out of trades all day, risking my capital that I just made. It just doesn't make sense to me, and I personally just won't do it. I'd rather take my profits, wait for a pullback, enter again. Take my profits, wait for a pullback, enter again. I'm not going to give money back to the market that I just, after a bunch of hard work, just earned. It just doesn't make sense, and ultimately it never will make sense. So what I want to recommend to you guys is control your greed. When you get to your take profit targets, take your profit. When you take your profit, get out the market, turn off your computer. If you want to review the market, see exactly if you could have had a better entry, see exactly if there was any other trades that you missed today, cool. But don't let it get to you and don't get greedy. Take your profit, feel good about yourself, enjoy the rest of your day, hop out the market, come back tomorrow. That's all I gotta say for this video. I hope this really enlightened a lot of you guys. I hope this is beneficial to a lot of you guys in trading. If you're struggling with this, comment down below. If you're struggling with it, why exactly you're struggling with it. If you have any questions, I'll definitely go over them questions with you guys in the comment section. But I also just have one other question I want to ask you guys. Why are you not subscribed? I'm dropping all this knowledge, all this game on you guys to help you guys become more profitable, to help you guys change your lives financially, literally change your lives financially, and you're not subscribed. You continue to watch the videos, but you're not subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. It might just make you profitable. Matter of fact, it will make you profitable, because I'm going to be telling you guys everything you need to know to become profitable. Why? Because I became profitable. How have I become profitable? Because I implemented all these skills and techniques that I'm telling you guys. But like I said, I just want to see y'all succeed. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell for post notifications as well, so you guys don't miss these videos. And comment down below any other video ideas you guys want to see me do, and I will see you guys in the next one.